Hello and welcome to Listopia. In this video, we are going to show you the 5 best 4K home theater projectors of 2023 that will transform your living room into a cinema. We have researched the information and features of each product and ranked them based on their performance, design, and value. You can find the links to each product in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Now let's get started with our list of the 5 best 4K home theater projectors of 2023. Number 5. BenQ TK700ST. One of the standout features of the BenQ TK700ST is its built-in Google TV. This makes it easy to stream your favorite content without having to connect any additional devices. And with its fast refresh rate and response time, it's the perfect choice for gamers who demand the best performance. But the BenQ TK700ST isn't just for gamers. It's also a great choice for anyone who wants to enjoy movies and TV shows in stunning 4K resolution. And with its HDR support, you'll get rich, vibrant colors that really pop. Of course, no product is perfect. While the BenQ TK700ST handles HDR well, its HDR chops are limited and you'll need to run it in a dark room for maximum picture punch. But overall, it's a great product at a phenomenal price point. Don't just take our word for it, though. TechRadar rates the BenQ TK700ST highly, calling it a great option for anyone if native 4K content is the goal. PC Mag calls it a solid home entertainment projector that combines 4K resolution and HDR support with a short throw lens. So if you're looking for a compact 4K projector that can handle gaming and movies with ease, be sure to check out the BenQ TK700ST. Number 4. Hisense PX1-PRO. This projector delivers rich, accurate color and sharp focus. It's suitable for screens as large as 130 inches and has a peak luminance of 2200 lumens. It also has a TV tuner and integrated Android TV. The projector has an attractive, living room-friendly design that can project up to a 130-inch screen and fill your room with surround sound. It's a rectangle about the height of any standard soundbar. The PX1-PRO is one of only 2 models that Hisense calls a cinema projector rather than a laser TV. However, it has just as much claim to being a laser TV as any other model in the company's lineup. Hisense PX1-PRO delivers excellent image quality with deep blacks and bright colors, and it's also very easy to set up and use. Overall, we think that the Hisense PX1-PRO is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality home theater experience. It delivers excellent image quality, is easy to set up and use, and has an attractive design that will look great in any living room. Number 3. Samsung Premier. This 4K smart triple laser projector has a brightness of lumens and an ultra-short throw ratio of. It has XHDMI inputs, HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG support. It also has Google Assistant, Alexa, and Bixby control. The Samsung Premier LSP9T is the most comprehensive and all-round successful living room-friendly projector solution we've seen to date. Picture quality is largely excellent, and sound quality may be the best we've heard from any projector. AV Forums also reviewed the Samsung LSP9T and said that Samsung certainly aren't messing about when it comes to features and specs on its new projector. This projector uses laser technology to project the image, which will last around hours. It covers % of the Rec. 2020 color space from just inches away from your wall. The picture quality is largely excellent with deep blacks and bright whites. The sound quality may be the best we've heard from any projector with watt sound power. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality projector that can deliver excellent picture and sound quality, then the Samsung Premier is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Optoma CinemaX P2. This is a beautifully designed ultra-short throw projector that could happily sit on a sideboard against a white wall, without drawing attention to itself when not on. Picture quality is polished, and the onboard sound system is a blast. The projector's connectivity could be better. The Optoma CinemaX P2 is a 4K laser projector that is designed for home cinema use. It has a throw ratio of 0.25 to 1, which means that it can project a 100-inch image from just 10 inches away from the wall. It also has a built-in soundbar with 4 drivers, 2 2-inch tweeters and 2 2.75-inch woofers. The picture quality is excellent with deep blacks and bright whites. The colors are vivid and accurate. The projector has a brightness of 3000 lumens, which makes it suitable for use in rooms with some ambient light. The onboard sound system is impressive with 4 drivers, 2 2-inch tweeters and 2 2.75-inch woofers. The sound is clear and detailed with good bass response. The Optoma CinemaX P2 is easy to set up and use. It has an intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate the menus and settings. In conclusion, the Optoma CinemaX P2 is an excellent ultra-short throw projector that offers great picture quality and sound in a beautifully designed package. Its connectivity could be better, but if you don't need to connect it to a computer, then it shouldn't be much of an issue. Number 1. Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB. The Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB is a high-quality home cinema projector that delivers an amazing 4K home theater experience for the DIY enthusiast. It is capable of displaying an astonishing 2600 lumens for both color and white brightness, along with proprietary processors for resolution enhancement, color and image processing. The Home Cinema 5050 UB produces incredible brightness, color accuracy and image detail. The Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB is a great choice for anyone looking to create a home theater experience. With its high-quality picture and impressive brightness, it's perfect for watching movies, TV shows, and sports. The projector is also great for gaming, with its low input lag and fast refresh rate. One of the standout features of the Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB is its ability to display an astonishing 2600 lumens for both color and white brightness. This means that you can enjoy a bright and vivid picture even in a well-lit room. The projector also features proprietary processors for resolution enhancement, color and image processing, which ensures that you get the best possible picture quality. The Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB is also incredibly easy to set up. It features a range of inputs including HDMI and USB, which means that you can easily connect your favorite devices. The projector also comes with a range of features designed to make it easy to use, including a remote control and on-screen menu. So, if you're looking for a high-quality home cinema projector that delivers an amazing 4K home theater experience, then the Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB is definitely worth considering. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best 4K home theater projectors of 2023. If you liked this video, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. We have a lot of great tech and gadget reviews coming your way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.